Hello guys, I am Adarsh from Rigveda and this is a channel with the Indian context. And right now we have a very special release, and sad as well, so we have to say goodbye to Viper Mini, and it's being replaced by the new Viper Cobra. Sorry, not Viper Cobra. It's the same shape, but it's slightly different. We'll go over that in a bit. So Razer Cobra will be replacing Viper Mini in the upcoming days, and it is basically the same. It will occupy the same market segment and it will perform the same. It comes with the new switches. It's lighter, it has better radiant RGB, and it will have better clicks according to Razer at least. I'm going to do a small comparison between the ancestor because shape is similar but a bit different, and it is everything else. So starting with the unboxing, the Razer tape on the back, some paperwork, with Razer sticker. Yep, Razer sticker, and here's the mouse. So it is ambidextrous, but it is not too ambidextrous, so you only have buttons on the right side, left side of the mouse, so only for your right hand. It won't work on your left hand. That again, quality, there is a bit of pre-travel, but it's not something distracting. Build wise, it's solid, it won't creak even on hard presses. Very good build. We'll just take out the Viper Mini to a comparison. Viper Mini right now goes for under 2k, but like when the stock runs out, there won't be any under 2k Razer mouse except the Third Essential, and this mouse is not going for under 2k for now, for at least half a year. We'll see that next year, but not right now. So this is Viper Mini and this is the new Cobra. Same shape, but this is slightly more heavier. Switches are older and DPI button has been changed. Feed designs are identical. There's an extra PTFE ring around the sensor, and let's see the back. Yep. So Cobra has a wider hump, so this gives you more space to rest compared to the Viper, which was just 1-to-1 smaller copy of the Viper Ultimate. So it is for, like, my hands are very large, so these are 24 centimeter hands, so they're not really good for small hands. But so as far as I can see, the Cobra is slightly larger, about 3 mm, and it's also wider on the back, so it is giving you more support, still being lighter. And that's about it, because sensor hasn't changed. You just have a PTFE ring on the sensor. It's 8500 Razer proprietary sensor, so it will perform just fine in all games. It's not really good, but it will do the job excellently. And still, there is a build quality. It's not gonna creak ever. I'm pressing it hard. So yeah, that's it.
So to test out the mouse, I decided to fire up AimLab's GridSort Ultimate, and so I decided to warm up with my Viper Ultimate, and it's my main mouse because my hands are quite large. That mouse is a medium to large size mouse. I have it in my mouse list, so that mouse is basically what I use every day, and the shape is very similar to the Viper Mini because Viper Mini is just Viper Ultimate but smaller with wire. So Razer Cobra should have been like very similar but smaller. I did not use Viper Mini for the testing because, like, it's the same mouse, come on, I won't see any difference. That being said, I was pleasantly surprised when I found out that I, a person with such large hands, was doing so much better with the new Cobra. That being, like, the sensor is top notch. It's small, but the sensor is top notch. The DPI does not mean anything because the acceleration is nice, tracking is nice, precision is nice. Of course, I'm not going to use such a small mouse for long hours, not comfortable for my hands, but oh my god, the sensor and the clicks, perfect. The texture is similar to V2 Pro with that sandy grippy feel. I suppose this would do fine with smaller hands and no additional grips. It is not meant for me size wise, because I like grips. My mice are heavy and yeah, but build wise, no complaints. Grips, they're absolutely fine to be used. I use them for the entire day. I was sweaty, but I don't see like I am generally sweaty, so there's nothing to be said there. The RGB looks really good. It's better than Viper Minis. It's similar but better. And Acro RMA, Razer in India, it covers everything because they have the I will say they have the best aftermarket service. Like once you buy the product, you will get the best service from Acro. I can say that. Really nice. And the last concern would be the pricing. I don't like to see the $50 pricing. I want it to go under $30 in India, so the 2000 range which the Viper Mini was at when it was in stock, it has to be there because otherwise it won't make sense, because at this price point you can get a Viper 8K, but I know it will reach to that $30 price point and it will be really good at that price, but sensor is excellent. So they decided to make this a brand new product, which is like Viper V2s are coming out, the Thunder V3s are coming out. It should have been Viper Mini V2, but the Viper Mini V2 is a very long name, and they also have a wireless version of this mouse coming up, so that would be Viper Mini V2 Pro. That's a lot of names. So yeah. Also check out Rico the PC's website for amazing deals on custom builds and peripherals, and don't forget to check our socials. Peace.